This is like my fourth time shooting this. I had finally uploaded it and I'm sure like a few of you saw it, but Mark wanted some parts cut out of here and I respect that for anybody. If someone just doesn't want to be on camera, I don't record them. If somebody wants me to take something out, usually I try to. In this case, this is the first time it's gone to this extent. Yeah, it's no problem. This is just a re-uploaded video. Many of you probably didn't even know that because only a few of you saw this, as I noticed. Alright, let me take you guys back into the story. I'm with Mark. He picked me up from my house. We were driving through town. We got to his house and basically you guys know how it went from there. I was essentially talking to you guys about the few cameras that Mark has because he has a couple and I was pretty mesmerized by that, so I was just showing you guys those cameras, and after that I was trying to ask him to decide what we were gonna eat. Alright, hopefully I don't have to do this again. Back to the vlog. Okay, so I wasn't recording audio, but Mark just told the people at... Okay, so we're gonna go to a party later, and these people Mark was talking to, the people that own this place, said that I could take my camera and stuff, so that should be fun. I'll get some fun shots for you guys. I want to just take a moment and appreciate how aesthetically pleasing your walls are. Because you have a bunch of stuff on your walls and it looks awesome.
I want to take down...
These two?
Yeah.
Why?
Maybe I might keep them.
They're cool.
But I know I want to take down though. I haven't taken down anything because there's nothing for me to replace anything with. Like, see, like, I'm pretty much over all the bandanas.
Alright, time for food. I think I'm gonna get Sonic. He's gonna get Tasty Roadhouse. Because he gets a free meal. This sunlight looks so beautiful right now. Your room in the corner?
No, the one with the red curtains was. And this was my friend Bernie's house. That head was weird. This was a...
His head was weird?
No, he was weird.
So Mark is showing me where he used to live that's like right outside of our actual city. And it's like, I never knew any of this. Like, it sounds stupid because, oh my gosh. I know, this is the town that you would put in a movie where it's like everyone knows each other and everybody's a character. Does that make any sense? This was Mark's very first best friend's house right here in the corner.
Oh, have you ever heard of Chopes?
I have not.
Well, this is Chopes bar right here. This is the Chopes restaurant.
I was telling Mark earlier when we were passing by La Mesa, I think that it's cool to see tiny towns like that because I already think that our city is tiny. Okay, so we just had to make a turn because Mark doesn't know which way we're going. Oh my god, another U-turn. I don't know where the hell we are.
Who the fuck are we talking about?
Curly.
Me and Curly were on the bus with her, and we were having a conversation with her, and then she gets pissed off, and she pulled his hair out, and then she scratched me in the face.
Are you getting the face?
The only guy I ever remember getting fucking mad at. Fucking desert pride.
And that's how it's gonna taste.
Taste it with your tongue, Amber. You know how to use that shit. I don't know how to do this, yeah.
Just like a cigarette. Don't swallow it. Just let it go in your mouth.
I take off the long sleeve, and then out of nowhere, I just wake up again. That's the last thing I remember. I'm like, fuck, where am I?
Is this the haunted story?
Yeah.
Like,
No, that entire gap is just fucking gone. And I remember the entire night, up until I stepped into that room. Why don't I remember me going to sleep?
So you had a good night's sleep. I've been listening to all your fucking guys' conversations like in sync. Like it's just like I'm not even paying attention to you. I don't like this haunted
Flip over the log.
So apparently this room is haunted, and they brought me in here. What are your names? Tell them your names.
I'm Chris.
I'm Ceci.
And then there's Mark.
Where is it? I mean, apparently this is it, but it could be that it's just going around the house.
You should get like 10 minutes of just in here.
So, like, what happens?
Well, apparently Gabby, which is one of Brandy's friends, says that she hears footsteps. Well, before there was a possessed doll, apparently, that would walk.
Gas recording.
For what?
Huh?
What's coming from?
Oh.
You're going to die in there.